Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today, sorry guys, popped off, but I got some unicorn poop metallic slime. It popped off. I got this at the dollar store. So let's test it out. Okay, so here it is. Oh, hi kitty cat. So here it is. So it doesn't have decent packaging, obviously, because it already fell. So that's what it looks like. So let's take. Okay, sorting out my lighting situation here. So it looks to be split. Don't mind my fingernails, guys. They're not the best. Trying to open this because it's extremely hard, but I think I got it. Yes. Extra protection. There is no slab that you pull it off, though. I'm gonna go get some scissors. I didn't get scissors exactly. Got a little razor blade. Okay, I don't get why they split it up. There's one. Let's review the first one. It's actually really tiny. They like said on the package, super big. See? Super big. Oh, so this one seems to be like really patriotic if you live in the US. It's very chilly. Let's give you the full free. So, doesn't really do anything. It actually doesn't do anything really. So, so this can go in something I also got. This little container I got. This is actually how tiny it is. Let me put the lid on so I can show you. It's actually this tiny. It's very small. Next, this one's is red, purple, and yellow. It's cold, maybe because I left it in the car. I'm gonna cut it. That did nothing. So it's more stretchy, this one. Does it have a scent? Oh, it smells like those like cola slimes that you try to get, but they're not really cola at all. So let's do some ASMR. So this is the slime. 1 week on TikTok. So this is a slime. Let me flip it over. So that is a slime. It has some red, purple, and yellow. They're really a thing. So next, in the bucket it goes with its little fellow friend. Let's see how good they mix. They mix nothing. So 2 slimes in the bucket, 1 more to go. My phone's going. Telemarketer. Enough of those things these days. Literally the same thing. It seems to actually appear smaller because all the other ones like filled up to the top. This one goes like right here. So I'm just gonna fix this up just because of my OCD. So, yeah. So let's do some ASMR. Okay. So literally the same thing. Let's put it in the bucket with our 12 friends and let's mix it up into, here is our final in the bucket. Just gonna put it right here. You can go here, you can go here, you can get the bottom. So these are all the 3 little musketeers. I'm gonna put them in and do the shake test. Will they shake or can they shake? So this is what it looks like. It looks like they kind of mixed. Sorry about Bulldog. So you ready for the final look? Let's open it up. This is the final look. Oh wait, that fell. So it did actually mix together. Not very well. You could kind of see like all the colors reuniting, so that's actually really cool. I feel like a little lotion would help this. Like you can see all the colors reunite. Kind of. I'll show that to you right now. Like they're all reuniting right now. Oh my god, look at that shine. Oh, it wasn't time. So this pretty much is like turning brown now. Red, as I say, the color got really better. But yeah, this is the final result. It's kind of really thick now. Yo. But that's horrible, dude. So that like really turned out horrible. It's kind of now sticky. So the final test, will it fit back into its container? So I have to divide it in 3 spots. So one here with that chunk. One here, this chunk. Another little chunk. This one here with that chunk. Where is the lid? So that's it. I would probably rate this out of 5, a 4 out of 5.